Hello guys and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Canva and how to use layers. Toolbox Tutorials is going to today present you the easiest way to manage your layers in Canva. So let's begin. First thing you want to do, you want to just say, for example, we're using social media and we want to create Instagram posts. So what we doing? We open the templates. Let's say, for example, we want to do some tasty burger. And as you can see, this template is for Pro. So we press it here, we press customize this template. As you can see, we have a lot of layers. Okay, let's say we want to change it not to burger, let's say to tutorial. And as you can see, you want to move. Sometimes it doesn't move and misses or something. So what you want to do, you just press second mouse, you select layers and you press show all layers. Also, you can press Alt 1 and automatically it shows all the layers. So you can move, like, say, background here. We want to move burger here. And we want to shadow move it here. As you can see, shadow moves here. So you have easy layer control. And you can do even overlapping, like one overlaps another one, and this one overlaps this one. As you can see, it creates transparency between the layers. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions about tutorial, leave it in the comment and I will explain to you step by step how to do it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and see you next time.